Hey, what's going on YouTube? So today I'm gonna be showing you guys this model kits that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, I believe. Yeah, it was Hobby Lobby. So as you guys can see, it shows $10.99, but I think I got them on sale. It was like a 40% discount, so I think I only paid about like $6.49 or something like that. But anyways, as you guys know, I do love model kits. Here I have my Charizard. I also have the Dragonite, and I have a couple of other ones. I didn't have a Eevee or Mewtwo, so that's gonna be what we're gonna be doing today. So stick around and I'll show you guys how to do them. Let's get it. Alright guys, so we're gonna start with the Eevee first, and then we'll jump into the Mewtwo, and I'll show you guys how to do them.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry.
Alright guys, so we are done with this one. So as you guys can see, it actually gives you an option to do like a happy face or just a interest face, or energetic is what they call it on this paper. But I really like this one. It seems like he's enjoying his life. Look at that fluffy tail. Pretty awesome action or model figure, which I really love. So I'm excited to add this to our collection. I'll put him right there. His ears move also, which is pretty awesome. So yeah guys, as you guys can see, it wasn't that difficult. So let's go ahead and let me move this out of the way, and then we can start on our Mewtwo. So let's get it.
He never answers me when I call, it makes me feel so lonely. Do you want to know what it is? The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room. You can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes. It is the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth. What truth? That you are a slave.
Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we are finally done with this Mewtwo. It looks pretty amazing. Everything pretty much moves on it. You can move all the hands up or down, however you guys want. And of course our boy Eevee down here. So it does come with a little stand. It doesn't stand by itself, so you can put it on the stand like that, and then you can add it to wherever you want. So yeah guys, let me know if you guys like this kind of content. I know nowadays it's getting really crazy as far as finding like cards and stuff to do openings. I do have a few cards that I can open for you guys, but also let me know if you guys like this kind of model kit stuff, because I enjoy it. I like the figures. I got this little Gengar that I bought at Walmart. So yeah guys, if you guys like this kind of content, or if you guys have any suggestions on what things you guys want me to do, let me know down in the comments. And hey, I'm up for anything guys. So if you guys want me to open packs like on road trips or at a store, at a Walmart, Target, restaurants, whatever you guys want me to do, let me know down in the comments. Let's make it kind of fun. And yeah, also if you guys want to see more of my girls open up packs, let them know down in the comments. I know they're excited to do that for you guys also. Also let me know what you guys think about my new setup. This is my gaming desk that I just got not too long ago. If you guys want to check that out, I have more videos on my TikTok, so go follow me on TikTok. And yeah, you can see some more content there. And so yeah guys, I'll leave the link for my TikTok and my social media down in the description. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys.